Hello everyone. Today I will compare in between Sourcegraph Cody and Cursor AI, which is the best tool in 2025. Let's take a closer look. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Sourcegraph Cody is built for scale. It's designed to understand massive code bases, offering context-aware suggestions, document lookups, and intelligent navigation. It plugs directly into popular IDEs and integrates well with remote repositories. Perfect for developers working across distributed teams and enterprise-level projects. Cursor AI, on the other hand, is a dedicated AI-powered code editor that reimagines how we write software. Based on the familiarity of Visual Studio Code, Cursor enhances the experience with real-time AI chat, multi-line completions, and smart refactoring built into the workflow. It's not just reactive, it's proactive. In terms of performance, Cursor excels in speed and hands-on usability, making it ideal for individuals or small teams focused on iteration and velocity. Cody, while slightly more reserved in pace, stands out with its deep understanding of context across vast code bases. So which one should you choose? Go with Cursor if you want a fast AI-first editor that helps you move quickly and intelligently. But if you're managing large-scale, collaborative projects and need deep code understanding and IDE flexibility, Sourcegraph Cody is the smarter choice.